Once upon a time, in a cozy suburban neighborhood, there lived a close-knit family who adored their pet dog, Charlie. Charlie was a loyal and playful canine who brought immense joy to everyone in the household. He would eagerly wag his tail and shower his family with unconditional love every time they returned home. One sunny afternoon, as the family busied themselves with various chores, they noticed that Charlie had not come bounding through the door with his usual enthusiasm. Concern quickly replaced the usual excitement, and a sense of unease settled upon them. The family members searched the house, calling out Charlie's name, but he was nowhere to be found. Panic gripped their hearts as they realized their beloved furry friend had gone missing. They couldn't fathom where he could have wandered off to or why he hadn't returned home. Frantically, they set out on a search, combing through the neighborhood, knocking on doors, and asking neighbors if they had seen Charlie. Days turned into nights, and the family's worry deepened. They put up posters with Charlie's picture, shared his description on social media, and reached out to local animal shelters in a desperate attempt to find their lost pet. As the search continued, the family couldn't help but feel a profound emptiness without Charlie's presence. Their home felt incomplete, and they longed for his wagging tail and warm greetings. Each night, they would gather together, offering prayers and hoping for Charlie's safe return. Meanwhile, Charlie had unknowingly embarked on an adventure of his own. Drawn by a tantalizing scent, he had followed his nose deep into the nearby woods. There, he stumbled upon a group of stray dogs who were in desperate need of help. They were hungry, scared, and lacking a sense of belonging. Charlie's kind heart couldn't bear to see his newfound friends suffer. Despite his own longing to return home, he decided to stay with the strays, sharing whatever scraps of food he could find and offering them comfort with his presence. Charlie's loyalty and compassion shone brightly, earning the admiration and trust of the other dogs. Days turned into weeks, and Charlie formed a deep bond with the strays. Together, they navigated the challenges of survival, finding solace in their newfound companionship. Yet, Charlie never forgot his family, yearning for their love and the warmth of his familiar home. One fateful day, as the family continued their tireless search, a kind-hearted animal rescue worker stumbled upon the group of stray dogs in the woods. She noticed Charlie's collar, which still bore his identification tag. Recognizing him as a lost pet, she gently approached the dogs, offering them food and care. Charlie's heart skipped a beat when he saw the rescue worker. He sensed that help had arrived, and a glimmer of hope ignited within him. The rescue worker managed to coax Charlie into a leash, leading him out of the woods and into the safety of her vehicle. As they approached the animal shelter, the rescue worker scanned Charlie's identification tag and contacted his family. The family, overwhelmed with joy and relief, raced to the shelter, their hearts pounding with anticipation. The moment they laid eyes on Charlie, they enveloped him in tearful hugs and expressed their immense gratitude to the rescue worker who had brought their beloved pet back to them. Charlie's time in the woods had transformed him into a wise and resilient dog. He had learned the importance of empathy, the strength of companionship, and the longing for a loving home. The family, in turn, realized the unconditional love and unwavering loyalty Charlie had always brought to their lives. From that day forward, Charlie's family embraced him with even more love and